I see the red light. That's when you know. That's when you know it's on. Is it working?
Mm-hmm.
Take your cues from me.
Happy birthday! Shut up. They're already teasing me. 2 seconds into the video. For
Where's
God's
the
sake.
hairbrush? Morgan already does that.
All right, are we ready? Now that we're taping, get a shot of yourself. Turn it around and get a shot of yourself.
Hello.
Let's go.
What is it?
Ready?
What's today's date?
Mwah.
October
Mwah.
18th,
Mwah.
2008.
Okay, turn around. Let's see you too. All right, are we ready? Do we want this one? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. All right. Well, let's do the card first. I know kids hate this part, but all right. Go ahead. You can open. Having a niece like you makes a family feel really special, really loved, and really proud. Happy birthday. We love you. Aunt Kathleen, Uncle Steve.
Nice.
Okay. Open the present.
You guys
Open the
didn't
big
have
bow.
to bring a
You know what you have to do with the bow? You have to put it in your hair. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. It's your birthday. You have to wear the bow.
Luke will wear it. Luke will wear
Come
it.
here. See, this is what you do. You wear it in your hair. I'm not kidding. It's a whole thing. Oh, you know what? It's not sticky enough.
The whole thing.
It's the whole thing. Okay. You got it. At least put it in for a second for a quick
For
picture.
a photo op. Nice.
All right. It's not sticky enough.
Oh,
so
you
can
look
put
at
it
your
aside.
dad.
Oh wait, you gotta look at your dad. Your dad's
Yeah.
taking a picture of you with the bow. Ready? Oh. Hold on, smile. Color, stencil, paint, wipe off magnetic. Easily takes anywhere for the car. Let's see if we can get this
So
off.
Disney princesses?
I think it might be Disney princesses.
Wow.
Yes, it is. You want over another present?
What do you say?
Okay, you gotta sit on Aunt Maureen's lap, though.
Big thank
Because
you.
I think this is from her and Uncle Rich. You gotta
What
go sit
about-
over on her
Wait,
lap.
she's
Don't
got it
draw.
over to Uncle Steven, too.
All right, go give Uncle Steve a kiss. Go give him a kiss. Go give him a kiss.
Excuse me, Zoe.
Don't do that to
This
me.
is really just really good.
Hi.
It's
Big kiss right there.
but it's-
Mwah. Thank you.
Oh, okay, now you gotta go sit on Aunt Maureen's lap. Maureen, you wanna sit over here? Or is it gonna be too hot? No, I'll sit over there.
Clear up a little bit.
Oh, my.
All right, you know what you gotta do with the bow, too. Don't forget.
Zoe's hat.
You're gonna put it on Zoe's head.
I love that.
Okay, open this one first. Take the bow. You know what to do with the bow. Get ready, there's your shot. Nope, she's putting it on. You're gonna put a big bow on Luke. Oh, wait, come here. You gotta wear it for 2 seconds for a photo op. Come on, 2 seconds. That's the birthday girl. All right, take a picture. Wait. Hold on. Yay!
All right.
Nice. Thank you. Got it. Thank you.
Play into the camera.
Wow. Does she take after her mama or what?
What is it? I don't even know what it is.
That's how advanced it is. It's so advanced I don't even know what the heck it is.
What is it?
It's an active learning system. You get to do language, problem solving, math, spelling, music, and more. And you put it on the TV and you dance around.
Oh,
and
it's
this is
like
your
a
little
Wii.
remote.
So you could play tennis.
Yeah.
You could play games. You could do
Right on the
spelling,
TV.
what you're doing right now at school.
Oh, that's
Language
so cool.
development, logical
Trigonometry.
thinking, and cognitive development.
So
Cool.
cool.
Doris.
Uncle Rich and Aunt Maureen. Big time.
What? That's nobody. That's nobody. It's the camera. It's the camera. You're being silly. You're being
Get him,
silly.
Morgan. Get him.
Got away, Cat.
Get him. Give him a big kiss. Oh, sorry.
Oh, what do you say?
Oh.
What do you say?
You're welcome.
Oh, I can't wait to
Zoe.
give her a big hug. Yeah.
Oh.
Get it on there.
Yeah. Zoe wants some love. Yeah.
Come on, Zoe.
She got you, huh?
Zoe. She's good like that.
Silly girl.
She's
good like that. Wow, thank you so much. You're welcome. That is awesome.
And
you guys
this
have
is
been really
chestnut.
great with the educational game.
This is
You're
chestnut.
gonna love that so much. You're gonna love it.
This is, it comes with batteries, but so you don't have to keep changing the batteries. It's
like
the,
against the
exactly.
wall.
Nice,
An
that's a good
adapter.
gift. Right.
AC adapter. Are you excited?
So, is that mine? No, that's not mine either.
Oh.
Okay.
Wait.
Oh!
He wants an AC
Belly.
adapter. Steve's like an AC adapter. Hold on.
Oh, wow.
Whoa, hey, oh.
You're like the girl.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
Happy birthday. Awesome.
Nice.
Yay.
Hi,
Hi, everybody.
every single time.
You are very lucky, lucky.
You're a lucky little girl. I hope you're good. Are you a good little girl?
No presents for you.
Hey to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Morgan. Happy birthday to you.
Joy, back up.
Yay! Oh! Yay! Sweet!
Oh, yay!
Good job.
Good job. Good job.
Nice.
Ooh, yummy.
Smell your pieces.
All right.
All right.
Oh, look at that pretty rose. Yummy.
You guys are so sweet having a cake.
Oh, yay.
Mm.
Yummy.
So where do you want to start?
Right there?
You want
You want the
flowers?
rose?
You want a flower?
Okay.
You want to help me? Gotta have a flower on your birthday. Okay, give me some, Nettie.
Special
Come on.
bigger
Where do you want to make a cake?
Yeah, that's
See
what
that?
you're talking.
That's the sign?
Pretty much. I like that.
Oh, look at that. Looks so yummy.
Yeah.
Oh, the birthday girl gets the first piece.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
With the pretty rose.
Tongue going up.
All right. Oh, yummy.
Hey, there's nothing wrong with
We
it.
cut this over
Tongue
here.
going up, that's
Okay.
Get
Yeah.
down to it.
All right. Here, let's scoot that over there. Okay, everybody pass your plates. We'll dish up some delicious birthday cake.
How is it? You let us know if it's
Let us know if it's good, Morgan. Oh, the shaking of the
It's yummy.
shoulders. That could be good.
It's yummy.
Yeah.
All right. Little piece. Who wants a little piece? Anyone?
Little for
Little
me.
piece? Look at you so cheap on the cake, man. How's that so
Well, I figured that I won't. So you like it.
Yeah.
Alright. Where's Steve?
I don't know, that's a little piece.
This is like Steve.
Take that little
Give him
piece.
like the corner.
I'm gonna get big.
Steve. I know, boys are.
Jeez, Maureen. You think she's saving it for a rainy day or something? That's a little bigger.
Alright, maybe that's Rich. You want like.
Rich is like, I want a big piece.
What do you want?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Chris is like, I don't want a coma piece.
Oh, yeah.
No, this is Steve.
Oh, for God's sake, Steve, you don't need that much chocolate. Hey, no pinging me. Ow, I'm being abused. I'm giving this to Rich now.
Zoom in.